The most advanced form of eavesdropping involves the use of the simplest equipment placed in the most dangerous locations. The Soviets managed to hide a listening device inside the American embassy's seal in Moscow, and it remained undetected for 7 to 8 years, even as 4 U.S. ambassadors were rotated during that time. This device allowed the Soviets to hear countless American secrets. First, how did this bugged seal enter the U.S. embassy? Second, who kept replacing the battery inside the device for 7 to 8 years? And third, how was the eavesdropped information transmitted back to the Soviet Union? Initially, a group of Soviet children, posing as young pioneer members, presented the bugged American seal as a gift to the U.S. Embassy. Unsuspectingly, the embassy staff hung it on the wall of the ambassador's office. The key factor was that the Soviets had designed the listening device ingeniously. Even a metal detector couldn't detect it within the seal. More impressively, the device didn't require a power source or battery changes. The core component was a simple steel needle that would vibrate in response to sound waves. Across from the U.S. Embassy, the Soviets had set up a radar-like device in a residential building that could receive and decode the vibrations from the steel needle in real time, reconstructing the sound. Eventually, the CIA noticed that the seal in the ambassador's office had never been replaced, arousing their suspicion. Upon disassembling it, they discovered the listening device. However, the U.S. didn't immediately disclose this incident due to embarrassment. It wasn't until the Soviets shot down a U.S. reconnaissance plane and expressed displeasure over American eavesdropping that the U.S. revealed the bugged seal in their Moscow embassy, leading to an awkward situation. Consequently, all gifts exchanged between nations became highly suspect.